Say something.
Humbug.
Humbug.
No, not saying a word.
You just did.
That's okay. That's
One more.
one more.
Oh, you taking it off?
Yeah, slid.
We'll try it later.
It's going to be a pain in the ass.
No, she's not gonna use it. I already told her that. I think she knows the same thing I do.
I had that feeling too.
I asked her, I said, didn't you cringe when you saw that thing coming?
I mean,
She's got
you
it
sat in one of those waiting to get out of it for a month or two. Oh, it's still got the paper on it. Okay, lay down in bed and put her on.
It's got a rubber band. And it had two, and it was so stiff that the guy couldn't even bend it himself.
Oh, Lord.
So he had to take one off.
Did you keep it, though? What
Oh,
did
they gave you tons of supplies.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's in the
Lord.
bag.
Okay.